This isn't just a rock. It's a story that began 300 million years ago, carved by time, shaped by storms, and still standing in silence. They say this rock has stood here for nearly 300 million years. Once buried beneath ancient seas, it rose slowly through time, shaped by rivers, winds, and rain. Today, we call it Lincoln's Rock, a flat sandstone ledge resting on the edge of the Blue Mountains, named after mountaineer Lincoln Hall, whose life was a story of survival and stillness. But long before that name, locals knew it as Flat Rock, Wedding Rock, Honeymoon Rock. It's smooth to sit on, yet every inch carries the memory of erosion. This is no ordinary cliff. It's a witness to time. Every crack was carved by weather. Every shape, the result of years of wind, cold and quiet. And isn't that how life is too? We are not shaped in perfect moments. We are shaped in the storms. The winds that tried to break us, the rains that washed over our hopes, the years that tested our strength. They've carved us, softened us, made us real. Just like this rock, our edges may wear down. We may hold lines of sorrow and layers of memories no one else can see. But those layers, they add value. They show we stood through it all. Some people chase comfort, but like Lincoln's Rock, true beauty is in those who have stood still and survived everything that tried to move them.